In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use Shopify Schema to boost your visibility in search results. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever wondered how some stores show up on Google with star ratings, price ranges, or even questions and answers built right into the results, that is schema at work. The truth is, you can spend hours building ads and creating social content, but when someone searches your product on Google, the way your listing appears really does matter as much as where it ranks. Schema is one of those behind-the-scenes upgrades that most store owners overlook, but it can really make your Shopify site stand out in ways that don't cost anything extra. What schema is? So let's start simple. Schema is a type of code, sometimes called structured data, that gives search engines more context about your site. Without schema, Google just sees a collection of text, images, and links. With schema, you are essentially labeling everything in a way that Google can clearly understand. You're saying, this is a product, this is the price, this is a customer review, and this is whether or not it's in stock. Once Google has that information, it can use it to create what are called rich results. These are search listings that show extra details like price, star, rating, availability, and sometimes even FAQs right under the link. Think about your own shopping habits. If you search for something and you see two stores listed, one as a plain blue link and the other with rating, stock status, and price listed, which one would you click? Schema is what makes the difference. Why schema matters for Shopify stores. Now you might be wondering, why does this really matter for Shopify stores specifically? The reason is that e-commerce is crowded. Shopify powers millions of stores around the world, and most of them are competing for the same clicks. If your store is just another plain listing in Google, you're blending in with the rest. By using schema, you can stand out. It can help you improve your click-through rate, even if you're not ranked in the number one spot. It helps you build trust instantly by showing reviews and accurate product information before the customer even lands on your site. It makes it easier for Google to understand your store, which means your products can appear in the right searches. And it just makes your store look more polished and professional compared to competitors who have ignored this step. The best part is that it's actually not as complicated as it sounds. Most modern Shopify themes already include some schema by default, especially for product pages. What you need to do is understand how to check it, how to expand it, and how to make sure it's working correctly. Types of schema for Shopify stores. So there's actually several types of schema that apply directly to e-commerce stores. The first is product schema, which is the backbone of most Shopify stores. This schema tells Google all the important details about your product, including the name, description, price, brand availability, and sometimes even identifiers like SKU. When this schema is working, your product listing on Google can show things like price and stock status right on the search page. The second is review schema. This allows customer ratings and reviews to show up under your product listing. If you've ever seen those little gold stars underneath a product link in Google, that is review schema in action. This is really powerful because reviews build trust and often determine which store a shopper chooses. Another helpful type is breadcrumb schema. Breadcrumbs give Google a clear picture of your site's structure. For example, instead of showing a long, messy URL in the search result, Google can display home, men's clothing, jackets. That makes your store look neat, logical, and easy to navigate. FAQ schema is another one worth mentioning. This is how some search results display expandable questions and answer right below the main link. Imagine someone searching for a product and immediately seeing answers about shipping, sizing, or return policies right there in the Google results. That extra information makes your listing much more useful and takes up more space on the page, which actually pushes competitors further down. If you're using content marketing on your Shopify store, article schema can help your blog post stand out. Google may show published dates, thumbnails, or extra formatting, which can boost your click-through rate. And finally, if you run a hybrid business with both online and physical stores, local business schema can help. This allows Google to display your address, hours, and contact information directly in search results, which is especially valuable for shoppers who want to visit you in person. How schema works on Shopify. Shopify themes automatically include some schema. For example, most modern themes generate product schema and basic review schema. But here's the catch. Not all themes include every type of schema, and sometimes apps you install on your store can override or even break the schema without you even realizing it. That's why it's super important to test your site. Google offers a free tool called the Rich Results Test, where you can paste a product page URL and see exactly which schema Google detects. If you notice missing fields like price, reviews, or availability, this is a sign that your schema needs work. You don't have to write code yourself to fix this. There are apps in the Shopify App Store that can generate and maintain schema automatically. If you are more on the technical side, you can add some custom markups to your theme files. The point is, schema is flexible. You can keep it simple with apps or customize it if you have the skills. To make this more concrete, let's look at an example. Imagine two stores both selling the same yoga mat for $40. Store A has no schema. In Google, their listing just says blue yoga mat, Store A. That's it. Store B has product schema and review schema in place. Their listing shows blue yoga mat, $39.99, in stock, 4 stars, based on 42 reviews. Even if Store B is ranked a couple of spots lower, people are far more likely to click it because it looks trustworthy and gives them more information up front. That is the real advantage of schema. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of using schema. Using schema on Shopify has clear benefits. It improves your click-through rate because your listings stand out with extra details. It builds trust quickly with reviews and stock information. It helps search engines understand your product more clearly, which increases your chances of showing up in the right search results. And it gives you a competitive advantage because many stores still skip schema entirely. On the other hand, there are some downsides. Setting it up can even feel a bit technical if you're not comfortable editing code. Even with schema in place, Google intuitively decides when and how to display rich results, so there is no absolute guarantee. And because Shopify stores often use multiple apps, schema can break if apps or themes conflict with one another. This means you will want to check your schema from time to time just to make sure everything is still working. If you want to get started with Shopify, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. Once you click that link, all you have to do is go ahead and type in your email. You'll enter in a password and you will answer a couple of questions just about your store, and then you are all logged in. What I like about Shopify, it's really intuitive. So as you can see, we've got the orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, analytics, and then we've got your online store right here, and you can just customize it directly right here. You can import a theme, you can customize it completely. They also have a bunch of popular themes right here. I did want to mention the different pricing and plan options. So you can pay monthly or yearly, but if you pay yearly, you'll save 25%. And with our link down below, you can actually get the first 3 months for just $1 per month. So they do have a basic plan, which is $29 per month, and this is billed annually. If you want to pay monthly, it's $39 a month. With this, the card rates are around 2.9% plus 30 cents USD online, and then they also have in person, 2% third-party payment providers. Then they've got up to 77% shipping discount, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, and in-person selling by phone or POS device. Then they've got the Grow plan, which is $79 per month billed yearly, $105 per monthly. With this plan, the card rates do decrease, so you're saving a bit there. And then the shipping discount increases and you get insurance. And then you also get 5 staff accounts, of course, with everything else that's in the basic. Then they've got the advanced plan. So this is $299 per month billed yearly. Monthly is about $399. The card rates do improve again. Same with the payment providers. You get everything that's in the Grow plan, but you get enhanced 24/7 chat support and 15 staff accounts. And then lastly is the Plus plan. So this is actually $2,300 per month on a 3-year term. There's no yearly versus monthly option. If you want to try it out, you can try it out for $399 for the first 3 months. And this is for more complex businesses. If you're just starting out, you can start with the basic and allow it to grow with you. So should you actually take the time to add schema to your Shopify store? If you care about organic traffic, the answer is absolutely yes. Schema is one of the easiest upgrades you can make to boost your visibility and click-through rate. For new stores, it's definitely worth setting up right away so you're prepared as traffic grows. For established stores, fixing or upgrading your schema can give you a quick bump in performance without changing your rankings. So if you're ready to launch a Shopify store and set it up correctly from the start, we do have that link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Lastly, I just want to talk about some tips for making schema work on Shopify. So there are a few practical tips to make schema effective. effective. First, always validate your schema. Use Google's Rich Results Test or the schema.org validator to check your product pages, your blog posts, and even your FAQ section. These tools will let you know if there are any errors or missing information. Second, make sure your schema is accurate. If your product price changes or you run out of stock, update your schema. Google rewards accurate information, and outdated details can hurt trust. Third, remember that schema is not a replacement for strong SEO. You still need fast load times, clear product descriptions, and optimized site structure. Schema is more like the finishing touch that makes all of that shine in the search results. Fourth, use FAQ schema strategically. Do not just fill your page with random questions. Focus on real questions your customers actually ask, like shipping details, sizing, or return policies. That way your schema is adding genuine value. Finally, if you use content marketing, add article schema to your blog posts. This can really give you an edge by making your posts look more professional and clickable in search results. Common mistakes to avoid. There are a few mistakes that are worth avoiding. One is assuming your theme has perfect schema and never testing it. Another is adding schema once but never updating it when your product details change. A third mistake is installing multiple apps that all generate schema, which can confuse Google with duplicate or conflicting information. And the last mistake is thinking that schema is going to solve everything. It is powerful, but it only works well when combined with solid SEO and a good user experience. Before I wrap this up, I just want to leave you with this thought. Running an online store can definitely feel overwhelming. There are endless apps, tools, and strategies, and it's easy to get stuck chasing the next big theme. Schema is different though. It's not something you will talk about on social media, but it is one of those quiet upgrades that keeps working for you in the background. Once it's in place, you can quietly drive more clicks, more trust, and more sales without you lifting a finger day to day. So I highly recommend investing your time into it. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build smarter e-commerce stores and showing you the best tools to grow online. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.